Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today after around 9 or 10 months, I'm so happy that I'm officially going to start my traveling again. But this time I'll be doing a motorbike travel. Currently I'm riding Avenger 220S, and today I'll be making a short trip to Bhagirath Palace, that is to Chandni Chowk, and I have to buy some accessories for my camera to mount on my helmet. But currently I'm going to get my bike washed. It will just take around 10 or 15 minutes more here. So the time is 3:50. Okay guys, my bike is washed, I'm ready, and I'm already late. Time is 5:15 p.m. So let's get started, and rest we'll talk during driving. So this is my bike, ready for a short trip. So let me tell you, currently I have mounted my camera on my helmet just using a jugaad. I have used double-sided tapes, and I have used duct tape, cello tapes to mount this camera, which is not a right way to mount actually. That's why I am going to get a J mount or a base mount for my camera, so that it can be mounted properly on my helmet. I'm really enjoying my first trip. It's in fact a short trip of just around 40 or 45 minutes. I have to pick one of my friends from here. He's also going with me to this market. Actually, he has to get some adapter. This is where he lives, and he's going to come out from this place. Okay guys, so I have just taken one of my friends along with me. He is also going to this market. Actually, this is one more surprise I would like to give you all, that this is not the first motor vlog that I've been doing. I already have done one motor vlog way back in 2018, but I did not publish it on YouTube. The reason was that because that experience was a disaster for me. I did that riding in -5°C. It was in December, extreme coldest of winters, and I went from Delhi to Punjab. That was a failure, I mean a complete disaster. That's why I never published it. But if you want, I can do it now. I mean, if you want guys, I can upload it on YouTube. Guys, the pickup of this bike is awesome. I mean, that's the beauty of this bike. And the handling is also much better. Like if you're going on a long routes, and if you're on this bike, you will not get exhaust. Because I used it for a long trip once, as I told you, 400 kilometers. Over 400 kilometers it was. Okay, we are on to the Vikas Marg, one of the most congested way to go through in the evening, or even in the morning. I mean, anytime. I think 6 or 7 kilometers more. See, it will take me at least 2 lights to pass through this jam. That's a condition. Currently, the situation of international travel is not going to improve, I think so. So that's why I have decided that I'll get ready for motor vlog, and then I'll use this bike to travel to different places. So we have reached this Akshardham flyover. On the left hand side, if you go, you will find Akshardham, and this is ITO. Okay, why there's so rush here? There should be a check post. Yes, there was a check post. That's why. Okay, so I have reached the ITO. ITO bridge is there, and from this red light I have to take a right turn. Turning right would take me towards Chandni Chowk. So we are just back from Bhagirath Palace. Unfortunately, we did not get what we were looking for because the camera market remains closed on Sundays. Even if some of the shops are open, they get closed very early on Sundays at around 5 or 5:30. So I have to come back again tomorrow, and in fact come on time, and then I can find what I am looking. Okay guys, will you believe that? Just look at here, this is extremely dry, so means this area has no rain, and we came just from 3 kilometers Chandni Chowk, and that was filled with rain. Just look at this is Lakshmi Nagar, no rain at all. That's amazing, man.